What's up, Team Huckhouse? And as you can tell, I am not at my house. I'm out of town at my brother's. This is his gaming room, and we're gonna use his gaming setup to film today's video. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna give you 5 tips on a trampoline that will improve your snowboarding. Now, these are 5 basic tricks, but 5 things you can do on any trampoline that will really improve your snowboarding. Now, it's one of those things too where, of course, like these tricks are gonna be like, duh, but if you practice them off the snow, it will translate onto the snow, and that's why you should practice these 5 tips. Now, I'm gonna show you how to do all 5 tricks, tips, whatever you wanna call them, with and without a snowboard tramp board thingy. If you want one, I'll have one linked in the description. They're $150, they're kind of pricey, but if you really want to take your snowboarding to the next level, snagging a trampoline board will definitely help you with that. So the first trick that we're gonna get into is just an indie grab, and this also can translate to any grab. Jump on the trampoline, reach down, grab it. You're really working on pulling your legs up to your body. If you do not have a tramp board, go ahead and grab your foot, anything in that relative area, pretend like you're grabbing your snowboard, but just practice doing indie grabs over and over, and that will definitely increase your grabbing. Tip number 2 is a 180. Now, this is front side or back side, do either ways, and the best part about practicing your 180s on a trampoline is you could go into switch and then practice your switch 180 out of that 180, so then when you do start riding on the mountain, you can really do super smooth 180s to switch, then back to switch 180 back to regular, and really look cool. The biggest thing with the 180 is to take your back shoulder, that's then going to be your lead shoulder, and make sure it lines up straight, and that way you fully commit to that 180 and you lock it in. And of course, if tip number 2 is 180s, tip number 3 is going to be 360s. Make sure you practice your front side 360s, your back side 360s, and if you're really into it, you can practice your switch backside and your switch front side 360s. With your 360s, make sure you are taking your upper body and moving it first before your lower half, and then your lower half will really pull around nicely after you initiate it with your upper body. Remember, your body goes where your head goes, so the more you put that head over that shoulder and you're looking for your landing, it's definitely gonna come around a lot easier. With the front side 360, it is a blind landing, and with the back side 360, it's a blind spin, but you actually get to spot your landing pretty easily. And that's a big reason why you want to take these rotations, these spins to a trampoline prior to the snow, so you can really understand what your head's looking at when it's initiating these tricks. Tip number 4 is a little weird, but trust me, it'll pay off in the long run. You got to get used to being in the air, and that means jumping really high, or just jumping in general. Anytime you can spend not on the ground, flying in the air is going to help your air awareness, which is a huge tip for anyone that loves jumps, loves flying in the air. So jump on a trampoline and try and go as high as you can. And the last tip number 5, is for those huckers out there, the ones that want to throw a backflip. I do not recommend ever throwing a backflip on your snowboard unless you can land one on a trampoline. The biggest tip with a backflip, for any backflip on anything, anytime, whenever, is full commitment. So just make sure that you're throwing that head back, fully committing, pulling those legs up with your body, and trust me, backflips, once you get your head in the right spot, your body will take over. Make sure that you pull that thing around. All right, guys, this was just a simple tip video. Those trampoline parks are super sick. They're down in Colorado Springs, so when I did come down here, I was like, well, let's take advantage of this. Roman loves jumping here, and I need to make a video, so we made this tip video for you. I hope it helps. I hope you get out on a trampoline and practice it, and if you do go to those trampoline places, a lot of times they have those tramp boards. So just do a session, get a tramp board, and work on your skills. If you do it one day this summer or the fall, because it's almost winter, I guarantee it'll pay off right before the season. Guys, don't forget, all of the Evolution stickers are on sale. They're 15% off. I need gear, and I know you guys are getting new gear, so by snagging an Evolution sticker, it helps me get my new gear, but also you can throw an Evolution sticker on your new helmet, your new board, your new whatever, throw it on your truck, car, let everyone know you're part of Team Huckhouse, and just know that it is supporting the channel. So once again, all the Evolution stickers are 15% off. You can always grab an Evolution t-shirt as well. This is the mountain version. We have plenty of versions and plenty of 6 stickers too, so check them out, guys. We don't just have the plain Evolution sticker. We got the Colorado, the Keep Evolving, a bunch of sick ones. And with that, guys, tomorrow the Packers play the Broncos, and I got to watch that with my family. That's a big reason why we were down here in Colorado Springs. It's a big game. They only play every 4 years unless we meet in the Super Bowl. So with that, I'm gonna enjoy my football day tomorrow. We'll figure out what videos posting. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we will see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes.